Hi, I'm Bill Roth on the tech marketing team here at Tintri. I'm going to demonstrate how Tintri integrates with Microsoft System Center Operations Manager. We'll take a look at alerts, health status, and performance monitoring. Let's start with the Tintri SCOM configuration tool, which allows us to add Tintri assets. Okay, let's take a look at the demo. Okay, let's take a look at the Tintri SCOM configuration tool. This allows us to add, modify, or delete Tintri assets in and out of the System Center Operations Manager. So to add a new Tintri asset, it's as simple as adding a host name, supplying a username and a password. If I've typed that correctly, when we click Add, we can see that asset, the HQTM-T820 system, show up. So we can now monitor that system within the Microsoft System Center Operations Manager. So all of this functionality is enabled through a management pack, a Tintri management pack. If we scroll down, we can see the Tintri subtree. Within this subtree, we can look at alerts, and we have everything from severe alerts to warnings, and we can look at any of these in detail. We can go ahead and we can set a resolution state, say acknowledged, for instance. So what's nice about this, it gives me a common roll-up of all the alerts from all the Tintri assets that I've added under management. We also have the ability to look at the VM stores, the Tintri VM stores that we've added and are monitoring with SCOM. So here we have an 880 system, the 820 system that we just added. Now, you can see that we've got a variety of columns here. It's very easy to personalize that view. Select the columns that we want to display or don't want to display and change their ordering up or down. Now, there's another neat capability here. We wanted to look at this T5040 system. I'm going to right-click, and at this point, what I'm going to do is open the Health Explorer. Okay? Within the Health Explorer, what we've done is we've set one of many thresholds that are possible to set so that we can monitor total IOPS on this system. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to click Properties. Okay. At this point, I'm going to click the Overrides tab. I'll click the Override button, and we're going to look at overrides for this object. Okay. The first thing that we've done is we've enabled this performance health meter, and we've set a threshold. Now, we've set a very low threshold for IOPS. Okay, so this is operational total IOPS, and we've set a threshold of 100 IOPS. Okay, so once we set that, we have the ability to look at state changes. So here we can see the date and the time at which we were above the threshold or below the threshold. So what this gives us is a unique ability to come in and look at a lot of different parameters and set specific thresholds. Now, this was done on a VM store level. We could do the same thing at a more granular level of a virtual machine. So let's take a look at a particular virtual machine, and we'll search for one named BRADMIN, and there it is. So right now we're seeing a healthy state. What we could do if we wanted to was to open the Health Explorer on this virtual machine itself, and we could come in and we could set any kind of threshold that we want for any of these available counters. So here we have operational total IOPS again. Okay. we could come in, we could look at the properties, and we could very easily set an override for this particular virtual machine. Okay? And it's very simple to do, and we could set a threshold of IOPS, say, of 1, which is extremely low, right? But let's go ahead and bump it up. What we're trying to show is the ability to set all these parameters and monitor virtual machines or Tintri VM stores at whatever level of granularity you'd like. Now, there's something else here that's kind of interesting. We can also open a performance view. And in a moment, what we'll see is performance metrics for this particular virtual machine. Now, again, there's a wide variety of different counters that we can look at. Here I could select operational total IOPS. Okay? So this just gives you a brief look at what we can do with the System Center Operations Manager when it comes to Tintri assets. All right, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching our SCOM integration video. For Tintri, this is Bill Roth.